People think a utility side-by-side has to be slow, rough, and all work. But then Can-Am built this. This is the 2026 Can-Am XT HD11 with the full cab system. Let me walk you through it. This beautiful dusty navy side-by-side looks just as good parked at a hunting camp as it is parked on the trails. And you'll be making excuses to find yourself driving it on the weekends. Stop. 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 Right away, on the front end, we can notice how aggressive this thing looks with the signature LED lights that Can-Am has now made for the 2026 model, and the heavy-duty XT front bumper, and something down there that we hope we never have to use. This is the factory-installed, corded braided winch on the XT model, which can pull up to 4,500 pounds. So it can pull all those logs on your trails that are blocking your way. You can pull yourself out of the trail, and we all have that one friend who says he can make it, and he never does. Now let's take a look at this engine. It has a 999cc V-twin liquid-cooled engine pulling about 90 horsepower. You might be saying, 90 horsepower, that's not that much. Well, this thing is made for work, tow, haul, pull, everything at the same time. This is not a sport buddy. And this engine can do just about everything that your modern pickup truck can do. It's got 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, you have sport mode, sport mode, work mode, you have your normal mode, and you have your different drive selectors such as park, reverse, neutral, high, and low gear. So you're not going to be spending $80,000 for a new truck. Now check out this suspension. You have dual arm suspension in the front and the rear as well. And what that means in the real world, when you have a fully loaded bed, hauling is so much smoother over all terrain. They said I couldn't make this joke, but you'll appreciate it when you're 25. Check out the ground clearance. That's a lot of space for any branches, roots, rocks, logs that get caught under here. I mean, there's enough space that I can start charging rent for a New York size apartment. This XT package rides on these aluminum wheels wrapped in the all-terrain tires that'll give you just as much confidence in the woods as it does on the farm. This is where the Defender really gets its name. Not only can you hold 3 occupants inside, this cargo bed can hold about 600 pounds of load on this dump bed. So you can carry all the tools, all the feed, all the firewood, anything you can fit in that bed, it will carry it. Just another shot to really show you the vertical angle and how steep and how much space you actually get on this bed. Here is the back of the XT, and immediately we can see the rear XT bumper that has a step built in if you need to get up into your bed. Yes, you have white lights, so when you reverse, people know you're reversing, just like a rear car, and a rear reverse camera. You don't see that, and we'll see more of that inside later. But the greatest thing we have is this tow hitch spot right here that can haul up to 2,000 pounds with a trailer behind you, along with the 600 pounds already here, plus 1,000 pounds in the cab. I mean, the numbers keep getting bigger. Let's start with the outside. You get the fold-out mirrors that'll give you a big wide angle of what's behind you. And check this out. You get the suicide doors, and this cab is what you will love. It's not just some doors and a roof, it's a fully glass windshield, fully glass rear window, glass power windows on both sides, power window controls. You get the whole thing. I mean, look at me, I'm 6'5", and I can comfortably fit inside of this side-by-side without having my knees hit the wheel too often. And if you're extra big, you just flip this lever, boom. Either you're a bus driver or now you just can get out with ease. This is my favorite feature. The full-on gauges for your compass, your mode that you're currently in, and both your RPM and miles per hour. Here we have our drive mode selector, our engine mode selector, diff lock 4x4, and all the other switches as well. Oh, and what is this? A volume and quiet button? Yeah, because H1 comes stock with speakers to play your favorite tunes while you're at work. And it's getting hot in here while I'm filming with these lights, so let me turn on the AC to as cold as I want and as much as I want. My favorite things about it is, again, this awesome reverse camera that gives you even the parking lines and the distance from the object on it. If the camera can focus, you can just barely see the lines as well. You can connect Bluetooth and you'll get a map to use on here as well. And this is why the 2026 Can-Am HD11 is top of the line and top of the market. And if you think this as well, you can reach me at jeremy@motormember.com.